Are you looking forward to delete your Talkie AI account? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily delete your Talkie AI account. First thing first, head over to your application Talkie. Enter your login credentials and make sure you are logged in that you want to delete. Once you're in the home page of Talkie AI, move into Profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Inside Profile, click on the Settings icon. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen. You will see Delete Account. Tap on it. Now you should read all of these paragraphs. It says your account cannot be recovered after deactivation, and you will no longer be able to log in and use the products and services. So if you're really ready to deactivate or delete, then click on Deactivate Account and then tap on Confirm Deletion. Once you have clicked on it, your account will be deleted successfully and then you'll be good to go. So this is simply how you can delete your Talkie AI account. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.